confession, I am always stressed about money. And it is truly, fully a mental thing. It is a mental thing. I can be super frugal, like unnecessarily frugal, like get in my own way and not help myself progress kind of frugal. An advisor, a mentor of mine, recommended that I speak to this woman who does hypnotherapy to help people work through things. But I didn't decide to work with her because I thought it was going to be too much money. Like, I'm totally in my own way about money. I'm thinking about this right now as I'm like doing payroll and like paying bills for the business. It's the end of the month. It's a lot of money. Like, I'm still not used to the numbers. I need to work through my issues with money and abundance. Like, I got to work through that before it shoots me in the foot. I used to dance competitively. I have not been in dance class consistently in a long time. Marcus has put some fire under my butt to tackle that and to go get over that fear. So guess where I'm going tonight? My name is Tara Reed. I run a $1 million business teaching people how to build their own apps, and of course I run my own software companies too. I've got a crazy dream of helping thousands of people, creating generational wealth, and living my life to its fullest. I'm always working on some kind of crazy project, and so I figured I would let you in on the madness. Here we go.
Hi for Tara. Okay, perfect.
And if you want, I can put it on a short code for you. So call 2.appsthatcode.com or call 3.appsthatcode.com so you can have a quick place to go.
Okay.
You know, it's funny. It's like since the very first webinar I ever did, I always feel terrible after I do the webinar. Like, oh, I failed. I didn't fail. I'm always really tough on myself, but it was really good. I had a fun time. So on my webinar, I mentioned the software tool that I'm building and I actually showed people some screenshots of it, kind of pretending like it already exists, but it doesn't exist yet. I'm always trying to validate before I build something, like, is this something people are interested in? What will they pay for it? I even showed the price on the webinar tonight. People are like, oh yeah, that sounds reasonable, that's fair. We're gonna call it CrowdSpark. If I decide to change the name later, fine, change the name. It's okay. I don't love it. I don't hate it. And then after the workshop, I tell people about my coaching program. And a lot of people end up signing up for the coaching program because they want to work with me after that. It's crazy that I can go online and do a workshop and then generate, $15,000 thus far. And people are still signing up. So that's what we did tonight.
Okay, so what am I supposed to say?
Talk about how you feel right now.
Talk about how I feel right now. We're shopping at, hey, where are we at? We're in Nordstrom's. Not Nordstrom's Rack, but actual Nordstrom's. For me to step out of my comfort zone to shop in a place like this is taking a lot, because I've always viewed this store as being a place that is out of my financial space. So I'm trying to find things that I feel will complement what I enjoy wearing. And it's can be intimidating because I'll look at it and think, man, I can't afford this. And actually I can. So that's what I'm working on.
It's your jam?
Man. It's the same 8 songs to play all day, so at first I'm like, it's like one of those things where you're like, I hate this, and then after a month you're like,
You can't get it out. I bought a new bed. A $6,000 Sleep Number bed. I had a moment. And the moment was like, oh my gosh, I can afford to buy a $6,000 bed in cash. What the F?
Tired of broken street lights. Now getting no rest, and that's the famous thing.
I just got a ping on my phone that says that somebody booked My Airbnb. I have multiple businesses now. Got some real estate popping. I started this process with this house a year ago. I put in $2,000 into this Airbnb. So we've got $700 coming out of this. We still need to kind of get into the profit, but we've got cash flow now. So I feel good.